Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy MEMECORE token on Binance Alpha. As you know, MEMECORE just got listed on Binance Alpha, so if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search M for MEMECORE, you can search it. And you can click Alpha tab here. And this one, you can click this one M. And this is the charge. It's not really bad, I guess. If you want to see the details, you can click info here. You will see the market cap, 24-hour high and low. Also, you can search, you can view, you can see the audit here. You can check it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose buy limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, start this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.